Good morning. We are going to do a 2-box break 2018 Leaf Draft Metal and 1 pack of 2016 Black Gold Collegiate. Some really sick stuff. This is probably the most excited I've been for a break in a little while overall. The quarterbacks in the 2018 box, not to mention some of the other guys are hopefully get 1 or 2 nice guys out of there. And then 2016 Black Gold Collegiate's just been beautiful. I will go through teams. J-Wags, 49ers, Bucks, Chiefs. I have a bunch of teams. Derek, Steelers, Chargers, Packers, Jaguars, Bengals, Cardinals. Josh, Vikings, Patriots, Redskins, Browns. Saints, Raiders, Rams. Matt with Eagles. Ryan with the Giants, Falcons, Panthers, Bears, Colts, Seahawks. Those are your teams. This is part 1 of a 3-part break. I will be keeping track of hitless teams. At the end, there will be, well, you can see my face in the box. Nobody wants to see that. At the end, there will be 2. At the end, there will be 2 random giveaway for the last 2 packs of my quarterback packs. I will also be giving away the other one now, which I forgot last time. I'll be doing that at the end of this break for the Black Friday bonus that is one of those packs as well. I'll be giving that away. Actually, let's do it now. I'm a little early. Random.org. Bunch of people gave me some money, so if you gave me money, looks like Ryan, J-Wags, Josh, and Derek are all in here. Okay. List randomizer, doing it 3 times. Top 1 answer gets it. That's 1. Derek on top. That's 2. Josh on top, and the winner of it is J-Wags getting the quarterback pack. Nice. Congrats, man. So J-Wags getting another quarterback pack. He's been going after that Steve Young pack for a long time. Hopefully, I'm kind of rooting for you at this point, man. He actually did pretty good in the other packs as well. So, back to this break. J-Wags will be getting the bonus pack. What about that later? Okay, let's get opening this stuff. We got a box, 5 autos, some really nice stuff. Leaf Draft Metal. One of my favorite boxes of this year because it offers 5 autos. It's not stupid expensive, and the checklist is pretty much everybody. I think the only guy that's really not in this is Lamar Jackson. I think every other stud player that everybody else wants is on the checklist. Personally, I'm hoping for Josh Allen, as I have the Bills. Any other one of the big quarterbacks would be really nice. Good luck to everybody. Now, usually, as weird as it is, the big hit is at the end, but not always the case. Okay, I'm going to. The first hit is a Braxton Berrios. Wow, low numbered. Now, I don't know him. 4 of 7. Braxton Berrios. Sixth-round pick of the Patriots. Went on injured reserve. So he's going to go to Josh and the New England Patriots. Sixth-round wide receiver. Any Tom Brady wide receiver is always a good thing. Numbered 4 out of 7. That's pretty nice, too. Looks like he played for Miami. Josh starting off things. The next hit is Marcus Ball. State Pride. That is numbered. Wow, some low numbered stuff today already. 13 out of 15. Marcus Ball. Looks to me like he was an undrafted free agent signed by the Raiders out of Ohio State. I'm going to go with that unless somebody tells me otherwise. Going to the Raiders in Easton. Marcus Ball out of 15. Okay, next. Come on, we got to do a little better. Alan Lazard. Next one's actually a redemption. I was trying to read who it was. Alan Lazard. So far, not a huge fan of this box. So we've got Lazard. I don't know anybody. I do know who the redemption is. Alan Lazard looks like he is a Jags. First team All Big 12. Okay, unsigned free agent with the Jaguars going to Derek. Alan Lazard. Okay, this last hit better be the best one here. Getting a little disappointed so far. This hit is a nice one, though. I do like the next guy that's coming out. We have a redemption. Note that it expires in 2021. Tenacious D wave. Duran Payne. Saw him making a play yesterday, actually. I think 2 days ago now. I think he's a Redskin? What? Duran Payne. Washington Redskins. Yeah, Duran Payne's a monster. So, what was he? Second round pick? First round. There you go. Duran Payne going to the Redskins. Josh to redemption. But we're well within redemption time. So that's not a bad thing. Going to Josh and the Washington Redskins. Nice. And your last hit is actually a pretty good one. Not what I was hoping for, but Darius Geis. State Pride. Not numbered? Whatever hit was numbered. Not numbered Darius Geis. I think that means that's Washington as well. Washington Redskins. Yeah, he's the one who tore his ACL at the start of the year. He was going to be a beast, I think. And then they decided Adrian Peterson. Darius Geis. That's going to Josh. Well, Josh cleaned up there at the end. Geis is a nice one. He, I think, has a nice future. Well, overall, no big quarterback, so I gotta say I'm a little disappointed in the box. Geis and Duran Payne are actually really nice. Other three, meh. Let's hope this box comes through, where that one did not. One pack, 2016, Black Gold Collegiate. Really could use a Z card. I'd be super pumped for one. Okay, your first card. Oh, again, I like this. Is Austin Hooper. Falcons, I believe. I think he even scored a touchdown this last week. I don't think this one's. I think this one's even too thick for these cases. Maybe. This is just stupid thick card. Austin Hooper is going to the Falcons, numbered out of 199. Nice rookie card there. I like it. Oh, settle down. That is going to go to Ryan. Well, the autos are getting spread out at least. It's going to go to the Falcons and Ryan. Next hit, I'm going to take one off the bottom. That's my boy Des Bryant. Actually, I might not get that card now, huh? He is a non-rookie. What the hell are our rules now? Um, I gotta remember now if he goes to the Saints or the Cowboys. Shoot, guys, I can't remember now. I don't know. I will go over some rules. He's either going to Ishan in the Saints or me in the Cowboys. I forget what the rule is with veteran guys, honestly. Numbered out of 75. That's Bryant, though. Next card. We have 3 cards left. We have a sick on-card auto rookie of Josh Doxson. That is a nice one. Doxson's been good. He's had a nice year. He's finally kind of coming along. Redskins have not had a good break in a long time. I'm gonna lighten this one up. What to Josh and the Redskins. Josh Doxson, numbered out of 99. On-card auto, big purple jersey. Nice hit, Josh. Crushing it. 2 more cards. Who the heck is this? Austin Hooper again. Huh. In the same box. Out of 99, Austin Hooper. I ain't getting another one. I don't think it's that. Austin Hooper out of 99 now, going to the Falcons and Ryan. I forget what other one. Josh has crushed this break. I think he's got like 4 or 5 cards. Alright, Hooper. And the last card is a good one. I will say that. Good luck to everybody. We got a Jared Goff. Rookie jersey out of 199 going to Ishan. Out of 199, Jared Goff. Nice hit. Now I think that the Des Bryant, I'm pretty sure it's not an autograph, so I'm honestly not too worried about it. But what if it was? I really need to know, in my mind at least, who that goes to. Do a quick look, then we'll do a quick recap. Okay, I like this. Here's my policy. I'm copying it from what I sent out earlier in the year. Okay, the policy says any veteran player, active or retired, showing in either their college uniform or not showing an NFL association, such as a cut auto, will go to the team the player is best known for at the time of the box opening. If that team is not obviously clear, the box breaker, me, then the 2 or more that are well known for will go into the random and determine who should be awarded the card. Okay, so Des Bryant's best known for the Cowboys. So that is where that guy is going to end up. No real question there. Best known for the Cowboys. The only real question is like Adrian Peterson now. I still think he's a Viking. We've gone through this. There's some tricky situations, but Austin Hooper, a couple nice cards going to Ryan. Overall, it wasn't a bad break. I had such high expectations. Ishan getting Jared Goff. Marcus Ball. Yeah, and I think getting Marcus Ball. Florida Raiders tight end. Yep. So and Marcus Barr. They'll get Al Lazard tight end. I got nothing this break. I didn't get a single cut because Josh Doxson, sick cut. Darius Geis, that's a nice one. It's good auto. That's just something weird on the card. Duran Payne auto. That's a nice one too. And Braxton Berrios out of 7. That's pretty cool. I mean, really, it wasn't overall. I mean, Darius Geis is nice. Duran Payne is nice. Josh Doxson's actually turned out to be a nice card. Jared Goff is nice, and Austin Hooper's not a bad jersey card. I had such high hopes. Okay, I did get Des back. So that is going to do it, guys. Could have been better. Could have been a lot worse. I like it. A couple of the cards pretty good. We will do part 2 of this. Will be next week. It will be a... what are we doing for part 2? Part 2 of this is going to be probably a 2014 Press Pass Game Day Gallery box with 5 autos. And then we're going to wait till 2 weeks after that. And we're going to do part 3, which is a 2018 Sage Auto Blaster and a 2013 4 Auto Press Pass box. So there would be 11 more autos in this break going out. Darius Geis is definitely a nice one, so is Duran Payne now. And Josh Doxson. Okay, thanks a lot, guys.